Alright guys, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Red Collar Trades. Today we're going to talk about CPSH um, and what they do and why they're worth investing into. It rhymes. I'm joking. But this is not financial advice. Little disclaimer. I know it's sad that I'm not giving you guys financial advice, but it's not financial advice. You can book me though. I'm kidding. Well, if you want to. Is that something you guys want? Let's get into the video. All right, so CPSH, they ended their trading day around 1427. This is Seeking Alpha, so you guys can look up their ticker symbol and be your own sharks. But for the 1 year, they were they were a little stagnant, man. They sat around $1, 180, and then they shot up to 2, and then 9, and then 6, down again, and then recently, 1621, they hit $26.89. All right. So this company they enhance metals and ceramics in order to put them onto aircrafts and put them onto, and what I mean by aircrafts is not is maybe airplanes, definitely spaceships, maybe cars for the road, but definitely ships for the water and trains, things that actively deal with heat, things that actively deal with the wear and tear from the environment. This company is creating, right, the armor needed to be able to navigate these terrains. So in this video, I'm gonna kind of break it down on why what they're doing is very important and if they're worth buying into for the long term. So first, let's go to Investor Place. All right, so this article by Vivian, don't know the last name, can't pronounce it, but this article kind of highlighted for me what was very important about their shoot up, right? That $26 mark, why they hit it. They got a contract with the U.S. Navy for $28 million, and so their contract was specifically to outfit the fleet's aircraft carriers, so to upgrade the armor so it can withstand the different elements, and so it shot up 24% in after hours, and then and so what they'd be providing in that contract is, going a little deeper into it, the hybrid tech armor. God, I can't read. And it integrates multiple patents and combines being, this is the most important part, being lightweight with ballistic protection and environmental resistance. And so they do have a privately held partner, right? For, I guess for testing and that is just maybe a formality. And see, we have more than one company profiting, so they're sharing the wealth, and you know, health is wealth and sharing is caring. Um, and also, um, the reason why this hybrid tech armor was developed, right? It was in response to the Navy's two in it was in response to the 2008 Navy specifications for improved armor, right? So they gave their consumer, their potential investor, exactly what they needed. Exactly what they needed was given to them. And so we don't see a lot of companies that, big or small, right, that have potential. We don't see a lot of companies doing this. We don't see a lot of companies looking at their investors and saying, what do you want? What can we give to you? And so in this interchange, they were able to give to the Navy what they want and seal the deal. So hats off to the CEO. Their fourth quarter earnings call wasn't anything to write home about, but I do, if I recall correctly, this news did come out. This news did come out. I'm gonna say that again. This news did come out right after that earnings call, I believe. So um, they were doing something. I think what they needed was a contract. They needed a push in the right direction, and I think them giving the Navy what they needed, and it kind of gave a huge boost to their brand, right? Um, And so long term, you're wondering, okay, all of that's good. Okay, their earnings call didn't do so hot, but they're doing good because they're sealing contracts. What does this do for me as the investor? Well, as the investor, you can look forward to over a 3 month period an increase of 287%, almost 290%, and a hold price between $55 and 124 at the end of a 3 months period. Okay, so even now, this stock is sitting at $14, just maybe $6 away from being at where it would stabilize. And then we see the high for this stock setting a new 52-week high is $26. So if at the end of the 3 months we see the stock shoot to $55, I wouldn't be surprised, right? Because this company is investing in its investors. They've given a listening ear, and we can only hope that they continue to do this. But for right now, for us as potential investors, right? For those of you who who go deeper into this, I will be linking these articles. They're very important. It's actually imperative that we look deeper into these things. But I think this company has a lot of potential. I think this company, they are holding true to who they are, and they're giving the investor what they want. And I keep on emphasizing this. I keep on saying it, but it's very important. Um, and so we have, and also another point to another factor, right? Another huge factor to this is Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos with these space exploration companies. Think about even them having a contract with CPS, and think about the impact that not only they can have on space exploration, but they think about the impact that we or the positive yields that we can gain from as investors and investing in these stocks. So whatever platform you're on, this is not financial advice, but I would, for me, if I were you, I would definitely buy to get that increase. I remember this stock when they were around $6. I bought into them maybe around that point, and seeing them shoot up to $20, seeing their potential just go up. They're a small company, but they're gonna do big things, and I didn't want to leave you guys out of the loop. So thanks for tuning into this video. If you want more videos like this, or if you see something I need to correct myself on, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. And also, if this video did do something for your investing game, and you know you think this video was encouraging, or gave you the right information at the right time, go ahead and like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit post notifications so you can always be in the loop. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in to Red Collar Trades.